Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to reset fuel filter life on Duramax. Turn the key to run without starting, press and hold the fuel filter reset switch if fitted, or cycle the key 8 times for models without a switch. Wait for the dash indicator to flash, then release and start the engine to confirm the reset completed successfully. If you see a persistent light, replace the filter and repeat the procedure. Start by ensuring the truck is safe and keys are ready, then follow the procedure calmly and deliberately. For trucks with a reset switch, press and hold until the dash light goes out before starting the engine. For trucks without a switch, cycle the key off and on 8 times, ending on run, then start the engine and confirm the filter life indicator reset as expected before driving. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and hit like to keep the channel going. It really helps. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for durability and comfort that lasts through long shop days. I've linked the sock pic and other deals in the description, so check those out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If the reset does not register, don't panic. Retrace the steps slowly and ensure you followed the exact sequence. Persistent warnings often point to a clogged filter or an electrical issue, so inspect the filter and wiring next. Use quality replacement parts and clean connectors to avoid repeat problems, and consult a service manual or a pro for complex electrical diagnostics if the light still refuses to clear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.